how to sign in to Yahoo Mail account. So if you want to sign in to Yahoo Mail account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Yahoo Mail. And here you will have your Yahoo Mail. Under mail.yahoo.com, click on that and it will take you to the website. So you can simply click on sign in, which is on the upper right, and it will take you to the sign in page. So first you need to enter your username or your email address or your mobile number. So I'll be choosing username and then click on next. But if you don't remember your username, go for forgot username so that you can recover your account. Or if you don't have an account, then you can go for create an account so that you can create a mail account on Yahoo. Or you can also continue with your Google if you don't remember your email, username or your mobile number. So enter your username and then click on next. And here you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password also, you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password and then click on next. And once you click on next, now you will be logged in, right? And once you've logged in, now you can go for mail, which is here on the upper right. And that's it. That's how you log into your Yahoo Mail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.